They say everybody is looking for their own assurance. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to BVI Channel 1. Palava, you know they finish. On this Palava, it's funny, it's annoying, and it's funny again. Welcome and welcome back again. I'm your favorite girl in this Palava, Bella, and I have with me...
Hello guys, my name is Adama.
Guys, just watch this video. I'll explain for our viewers that are not Igbo. Just watch, we'll talk.
John o we bi ebe a na elive eji eme ekpere we si na o choro igwe enye ure a we ju esi ka ibe ji cho inye mmadu enye ure I chere ori putacha o si na agba amaru ma agba 4000 o si na o ji 1000 anatagodi ega we confirm o na o choro igo nya bi ive ozugbo confirm chaziere e we ju ma ginu ka onye ameligi ji chi ya sari enye ure o we si na onwa agbo obi onye Kalaba na o choro na ma anya ba o we si na onwa agbo obi onye Kalaba na onye ya sisters and ka ora ya ohu na nwanye ekwe ha ara ohu o we were enye ure ka o ya sari ya nya ka nwanye rabazi enye ure nkwo imu amu ebe na mgbu aga anya ebe oso ihe ji we na eme ibe aka unu maru nwoke a na ni iri ebe omu no furi onye awe enye ure master
So this man common mind. Yeah, on top 6K. One give person see here. Okay, before we dive into it, for people that are not Igbo, this is not like a foot ulcer. You get it's more like
they used to call it elephant foot or the elephant leg.
You know that poison is a poison, but it gets hierarchy. So this one, I don't know how this thing they be. You go. The person leg fits well, and from there, you know all those stories that touch the bumbo. But this one, this man, you dey check babe, babe chop you. Whether na suya una chop or whether na indomie una chop, we don't know. This man go to buy the poison where he go give the girl. They say babe don't chop, run normally. Naija babes na billas. So they bill this one. Mungu pay 6K.
But he doesn't even have the money to do the wait oh, but see this man, is he not old enough to be somebody's dad? Abi he doesn't have wife.
How pale na papa na person papa abi na you just want, you know, freestyle. Say this man, he go say economy hard. This girl run and street. Girl run and street. You get now the man vex. Say they go buy that thing anyway to put for the girl. Now they shock people where they sell the thing. They say this thing on a more serious note, yeah, the wrong one. Because mandine ego, hanchani nebo fife. You know, they say Igbo people, they love themselves, they don't love themselves. This is the whole theme of our loving each other. You know, apart from people that are ripping other people, that are billing other people. No say the other one say 20 million. Come again, say bill them double. You say, other wrong man on a normal, it's only retaliate like 50 times because him and normally, upon this girl, I'm around upon the man succeed. He go to this thing when you're the babe. Man that thing Kenya makanda marry because you know sometimes you go to the hospital, they diagnose you one thing. Exactly. They feel say maybe he's having diabetes. You know, say all these African
and when he doesn't heal, she starts thinking it's one her auntie that doesn't want her to get married, or one her uncle that doesn't want to.
Before your mind could get to those ones, as a young person, probably onye when this billing is a young person now, even if na older person, billing, whether it's coming from the young or the old, billing. So before her mind could get to say now that thing I didn't give
her mind will not get to.
You get
this is where I want to come in. Her mind will never tell her that it is this man that will do it. Look at what girls do. A lot of girls, not everybody. Some girls, you go to Facebook, you meet a guy, the guy like you like the guy. I say give Bia Lagos, Bia Port Harcourt, Bia Aba, Imagon, the famous Aba now. You see, okay, Nige Aba, Imagon Aba Andrew now.
Okay.
Nige Aba, Nige PH, Nige Lagos. You want to go and see these people? Fine. These guys, they are even more generous because, of course, fun as Nigeria women, you send me transport. They will say, okay. Some of them will even send you money for flights. Say, I don't want to stress you. You're a baby girl for life, you know, soft life. Oh yeah, bar flights. Ngewa, Nisi Okporokogi, Nisi Odogwu, Esemba. Okay, I will chop this money. You lay the money, block all the Andrew, block all the Peter, the John, the James, block all if you Igbo, Ababola, big girl. You just meet another person, you do the same thing over and over again. Now, when these people take you to all those their black voodoo, whatever, there's no way you will know the particular person. Let's say you have gone to hospital, you have gone to prayer house, everything. Last, they can't tell you. They can't tell you, say, now somebody where you swindle money. Because you have been doing it. There's no way for you to tell it is James or it is John. This is why I used to advise our young girls. Wait, let me finish. Don't go and chop money and clean mouth. If you know that you are not going to meet the Andrew in the Lagos, because see, hold your money. See that Andrew. Wait, me, I've been asked to come to Lagos too. I've even been asked, okay, let me give you. I said
but
no.
You know, chop, you know, money.
I said no, send me money. I know go come.
Okay, you know, okay,
I know go come. I know go come be say no send money now. Why you go send money again?
Okay, initially listen, you are not coming.
I said I'm not going, but you know they will try to. Some people they lure them with money, they manipulate you. Some genuine people, they just want you to come.
But you know say, normally these things go business in Agakwa.
I know, but it's not good. If this man get us on CD to do this AU, it will get this girl.
But
because Manabu Naka this girl daughter, no Syria, okay, I will sleep with you for 6,000 naira. Now the man just so that share 6,000 naira. Anything this man do, you know go work. That's my belief.
Okay. I want to go. Me this for the fact na that girl ana lugego.
What them?
So if I'm na mega and what
work.
You know the thing is apart from buying and selling when it comes to man and woman, girl and boy. They say they ever tire for man and girl matter. Boy and man, guy and girl, whatever you call it. Exactly. But the thing is, some guys, when they get a fire name, if will be or they get or a Chelsea.
And you cannot tell by looking at the face.
You cannot look at negodi pot. No offense, but negodi any mother and you know, they say most times these people that are mean and wicked and everything, they look. Some people say they don't look it, but this one, from the look of things, how do you? I want to be here normally. Yeah, on a normal. This isn't a person, Papa. And he called the village. Newi people. Be up on one. Look at no. Be up on one. Babe, just casually on top 6K. 6K. Oh yeah, I got it in. Okay, on that note, because as an affair, where to be? So they come, they ask and say, what's up? Why are you giving this person this poison, food poison? You know, say whether the person is there. Now them they talk, or whether this person is a nice person or not. So they now justify who you give the food ulcer to. So if you are a bad person, you are guaranteed that now the one with the poison.
Exactly.
Okay, if you are now a good person, okay, how do they now know who is the good person and who is the bad person? At the end of the day, see, whatever you call it, see, babe. If you chop, now you chop. Oh. If you chop, if they catch you, they give you.
No, they chop. No, they collect money. If you no go gree, make they chop you. No, they collect money.
What you go do with your life? I cannot be telling you, but my own business.
No, I can tell them. Oh, let it be that I said it. Because if you not say you no go Lagos, don't collect money.
You say country high. So chicks are not smiling.
No problem.
So anyhow, people they bill. Okay. And you say chicks they bill us. You get
it is different that you ask a guy, I want to eat ice cream. The guy sends money for ice cream. That is okay. I want to eat suya. He sends money for suya. That is okay. No. Out of his own will, you did not hold the threat and say, give me money for ice cream. If you don't give me, you will die. But this one, all true, okay? Will you come to Lagos? Is here man transport to
Go use come Lagos.
Or singing, I'm talking about this transaction thing. Oh, you this girl. The girl be here no sisters and call Ghanaian. The girl saying her sisters and be her price and she will sleep with the man. The man pays 6,000 naira. Girl, or ya come or Simba. Why?
And Igbo is I'm making the one because asa go. Asa collect the money, whether na transfer, whether na cash pay.
And he don't chop a move.
Cheap, don't chop am. See, the man wouldn't chop.
And the god of this girl is
as normally babe a very small girl with a very big God. And God don't help him.
A very sharp girl.
You get
very sharp.
Normally, the man, just okay. It was a rap on my side. Kafa no lo for no but I don't my cheeks than me. It was but in a come out there. On that note, Emily Fiye drop in on the comment section. You say, we don't say our palaver is sweet. If you are not watching palaver, guys, you are missing out.
You are missing out.
Sometimes we have stories that touch the bum. Sometimes we have stories that touch the sweetness of the mind, and you laugh and laugh. And this one is all about laughing. Maku moka na abel, iwe okwa nuno, unu na abel okwa akwukwa unu. Wata couple nwa, abu na ifi ga eme me ya. And they say, before I finalize, they say before you mmadu ego, malu na ego na enye mmadu be ego ga edimu or na ego ga animu ma obu na onya akwuro gi.
As when you trust somebody with all your heart,
you get.
When you trust somebody with all your heart,
just start. They're waiting. They just start.
In as much as
stage.
See, I'm just saying, keep to your words. Keep to your words. That's me. Keep to your word. If you say you are A, be A. Don't be B. Don't be C. Don't be A plus. A. The way it stands. That's just it for me.
So what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say. Na enya get 3,000. Ni get chulu madu mili for 1 hour. Enya get 3,000 na kabachu mili afu. It is very important.
Adama, we ma asencho right. In a lotreke, we bo ni agbaju galon or drone. So, e gbaju drone for 3K. I have seen here that 3 hours.
See, if you know bona, no matter how many the draw mobile, or say I the 1 million, they ga agbaju and they gbaju and they get 3K. And that wa there, e say ni ge menu. If you don't believe anything that happens to you, you know it. Babe, also remember, I'm not saying that people should do black magic on people. Try to destroy people. Lay poison, whatever. And I'm not support here. But what I'm supporting is that if you promise somebody something, deliver.
It's funny. Now, what here do poison? Nah, because of 6,000 naira. Guy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of the show. Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And also comment and send us funny videos and whatever comments.
Yes, any palaver where they happen for yourself.
Guys, I'm for the far and we but I'm going to fade you one. Go master down. We go be ready. Until come again, Ada. What do you say to us?
Bye, guys. See you next time.